New at 11 tonight, the Food and Drug Administration gives the green light to 2 updated COVID-19 vaccines. They are from Pfizer and Moderna and benefit people who have been impacted by the current COVID variant. CBS 47's Jennifer Zucker spoke with a local medical expert about the new vaccines.
Experts say these new vaccines are now effective against variants that are at least partially behind the current uptick in COVID cases.
With every variant, they get a little bit different from the prior, and makes the vaccine a little less efficacious or protective against you from getting sick or getting hospitalized. So it still showed efficacy, but it was starting to get a little lower. So you want to stay on top of it.
Dr. Kenny Bond says since the 2020 surge, COVID-19 has progressed and changed over time. Up until August 22nd, people were given last year's updated vaccine, which is now considered less effective. Dr. Bond says the vaccination rate has been in decline in the Central Valley and across the state.
Across the state, we're only sitting at about a 15% vaccination rate. And in Fresno County, we're only sitting at half of that, at like 7% amongst eligible adults for vaccines.
Staying on top of the new variants could prevent a winter surge. Dr. Bond recommends people shouldn't wait to get the new vaccine once it becomes available in the fall.
You're at a family gathering when you're in the middle of the holidays and then the surge is happening. Wow, we get a big uptick because everyone else is testing positive, and then they're like, oh my goodness, now I want to respond. I get some protection.
He says when you get the updated vaccine, it will take a few weeks to build that immune response. And getting vaccinated sooner rather than later will help prevent illnesses.
You're really kind of protecting yourself, but also protecting others, which may be at higher risk. And those are your loved ones, your friends, your family, and everyone else around you.
Dr. Bond says the new vaccines are initially approved for adults and expect pediatric doses to be approved soon. Studio, Jennifer Zucker, CBS 47 Eyewitness News.